and then lalabas na itong setups na ito guys, no. So meron ditong pinaka 25 USDT. So for the sake of this tutorial lang as a demo is that I'll use maybe 50 lang. So like for example eto, and then guys, so today bibigyan ko lang ng update itong spot trading bot natin dito sa point of view naman ng desktop, no. So binigyan ko to ng perspective sa ating YouTube channel sa cellphone, gamit yung cellphone. So punta lang kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel, just like videos tab, and then scroll down nyo lang dito ng konti. Eto, so itong video na to, ayan, so binigyan ko to ng perspective, eto, gamit yung cellphone ninyo. And meron din dito kung gusto nyo na i-cash out yung pinaka profits mo is that ito guys, no. So today bibigyan ko lang dito ng ideas ulit, especially sa mga nagtatanong kung paano dito yung pinaka basic setup gamit naman yung desktop guys, no. I think for me it's better as well to cross validate sa desktop para mas makita nyo yung pinaka-structure ng price action. Makakapag-add kayo dito ng oscillators, indicators guys, no. So if cellphone naman yung gamit mo, ay give perspective naman gamit yung trading view to cross-validate yung structure ng chart, no. As of the moment, nandito tayo ngayon sa 15 minutes time frame. Papakita din natin dito guys yung mga bot history natin dito, kung ano yung naging results, negative or positive guys, no. So before tayo dito mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So for now, punta muna tayo dito sa dashboard natin. So ito guys is trading bots, no. So dito automatic na siya nagkakaroon ng buy and sell. If ever man na busy ka, is that yung system automation is that siya yung mag-automatic buy and sell on your behalf, no. But yeah, there's always a risk guys, no, kasi this is in crypto space and it's better for us to do risk management, due diligence, as well as do further research pa rin dito guys, no. Experience is very important. Yeah, again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for friends, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some ideas dito. And punta muna tayo dito guys, no. So sinelect ko itong token ni BGB, ayan, BGB USDT, and as we can see dito guys, merong pinaka selections, no. Like for example, ito pwede to, ayan, pwede yan. Magbibigay na rin ako dito guys ng example as a demo lang, no, for those who ask questions. Like for example, meron ng automatic setups dito na i-use mo na lang or gagamitin mo na lang, and then magrara na kagad, no. So discuss natin yan maya maya dito, pero for now, punta muna tayo dito sa bot history natin. If you observe guys, meron tayong terminate dito na profits, no, and it's better as well to do this routine na checking kung ano yung progress, results ng pinaka trading bots mo dito para mas makita mo kung may invalidate ba yung bias mo or still okay pa naman. So manual checking is good as well dito if you have set up sa bots, no. So itong kay BGB, meron tayong profits na 24.25 USDT ay terminate na ito. Ayan, andin yung kay Mavia. Ito guys, no, as mentioned, yung manual checking is very important. Itong kay Mavia, I can see some potential invalidation dun sa pinaka bias ko, and I decided to terminate, no. So I terminate with profits, and as of now, I think bumagsak ata yung price action, pero meron pa kang current bots. Mamaya papakita natin dito sa my current bots, no. So yung BTC USDT as well, we have profits dito. Automatic na ito nagkakaroon ng buy and sell guys, no. And ito is tapos na, meaning realized profits na ito guys, no. So like itong 24 USDT, 2.7, 6 USDT, 7 USDT, 4 USDT, 16 USDT, and hanap tayo dito ng negative. Ito, meron din tayong mga negative dito. I decided to cut my loss. So meron tayo ditong negative 33 USDT. So punta muna tayo guys sa my current bots. So adjust lang muna natin yung camera natin dito, ayan. So dito sa current bots, ayan, if you observe guys, no, meron tayo ditong negative. So adjust ko lang yung screen natin. So, for example, itong kay Mavia, dito guys, meron tayong negative, no. If ever man na nagkakaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo, that's the time na you get lost dito guys, no. Since nasa spot grid ito, malulos ka if ever na bumabagsak yung presyo. Pero walang tinatawag dito guys na liquidation, no, since nasa spot grid ito. So, ito yung pinaka-setup and operating lang siya dito. So, for now, ayun, nagkaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo. So, sa spot grid guys, it's better to cross-validate yung price action. If ever na nagkakaroon ng pagbaba ng presyo, on my and I think it's an opportunity guys, no? Kasi if ever man na magkaroon ng pullback yan, magkaroon ng momentum ulit sa upside, that's the time na you'll get profits, no? And then sa spot grid kasi is that yung volatility is kinakain lang, no? So walang liquidation as mentioned. If ever na magkaroon ng up and down, since nakasetup ko doon ng parameters, kakainin lang nung setups mo na yon, yung up and down, yung volatility na yun, no? So simple as that guys. For now, punta muna tayo dito. So BGB USDT, I'll try to have an example lang dito guys, no? Again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. So dito guys, if ever na desktop yung gamit mo, punta ka lang dito sa may trading bots na dito. Tapos may lalabas dito, select mo lang itong spot grid. Ayan, tapos yung pinaka default dito guys is itong BTC, no? So dito select ko lang muna BGB. Ayan, and then meron tayo dito makikita guys na recommended, no? So like for example, this is only a demo. So select ko lang to, and then lalabas na itong setups na ito guys, no? So meron ditong pinaka minimum, so meaning 25 USDT. So for the sake of this tutorial lang as a demo is that I'll use maybe 50 lang. So like for example, eto, and then create lang, no? Confirm. And simple as that, meron ka na dito ang pinaka spot grid as we observe dito guys, no? So ganun lang siya kadali. And for me, as mentioned kanina, I'll check dito, I'll cross validate, as well as I'll monitor din ito, maybe hindi naman oras-oras, and so maybe every day check ko lang dito kung ano yung nagiging results or yung price action dito guys, no? So if ever man na mag-invalidate sa setup ko, pwede ko naman siya i-terminate if ever na within the range naman yung price action. I think as is lang. So ganun lang ako dito mag-check nung pinaka setups ko na open dito kay spot grid guys, no? So yun, hope you get some ideas dito guys sa video natin, and meron din ako ditong video na ginawa if ever na meron ka ng profits, no? So itong video na ito, so pwede nyo panoorin ito, i-bookmark, and pwede nyo i-check kung paano dito mag-withdraw guys, no? So simple as that for this discussion today guys. Hope you get some ideas today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.